First, we spray the rim with Masterson's Rim Gel. Not only does it release the brake dust, but it also helps reduce some of the rust and corrosion that may be on the rim. We then foam the wheel with Zep Citrus Cleaner. Now, it does a great job of breaking down everything in the wheel well, loosening it up, getting it ready to rinse, and it's great at cleaning the rubber on the tires as well. Not only that, but when you mix it with the Masterson's release agent that's already on the wheel, it does a phenomenal job of loosening everything up. Now you'll notice here that the foam actually turns pink. That's a chemical reaction that goes on between the Masterson's Rim Gel and the citrus cleaner as well. Now it doesn't give off any fumes or anything like that, but it does give a really good cleaning effect that makes these rims super easy to clean with just a detail brush. As you can see here, it loosened everything up and it made it super easy for us to clean the wheel face with just a detail brush. Even the barrels came clean with just a rim tool and very minimal effort. Another great combination for us is our Ryobi spinning tip and our Adams professional grade power washer. Now the two of these together do a fantastic job at loosening up everything in the wheel wells, rinsing the tires nice and clean, and getting in all around inside the rim and the barrel to make sure that everything rinses gently away. Next we use our Typhoon gun from Snap-on to thoroughly dry the tire, the rim, and the wheel well. It does a fantastic job, leaves it spot free for us, and gets it ready for us to put on our tire dressing. We use a dedicated detail brush just for putting on our tire dressing. The nice thing about this is it saturates the brush and then you go through a lot less product and it's not as much waste. Not only that, but when you spray it directly on the bristles, it's better than spraying it on the tire, because when you spray it on the tire, you get it all over the rim as well. So this way it's nice and neat, it goes on, and it looks fantastic when it's finished. To finish it off, we just take a microfiber and wipe off all the excess product that's left over. That'll leave you a nice wet look that's dry to the touch.